everybody! Welcome back to another episode of Animals with Abby. Today we are going to be talking about two unlikely reptile roommates. I have with me our gopher tortoise named Shrek. He is fantastic at digging holes. As you can see to my right and to my left, I have two burrows. Burrows are the tunnels that gopher tortoises like to dig. These are single-chambered burrows that can go up to 30 feet in length. Now, these are exceptionally important for the ecosystems in which gopher tortoises live. Ecosystems tend to live in longleaf pine ecosystems in the southeastern United States, around Georgia, Florida, and Alabama. Here, these animals are keystone species, meaning they alter the ecosystem so that other animals and plants can live there. These burrows are home to up to 300 different species. That means gopher tortoises create homes for that many types of animals.
Just like Miss Abby said, these guys are excellent diggers. If we look up close at their front and back feet, their front feet are pretty flat and they have claws on them that will help them dig out that dirt. If we look at our back feet, they're pretty flat. They're great for walking and pushing them along because their shells are pretty heavy. They are kind of compared to elephant feet back there in the back. They're pretty flat and round. As you can see here, these burrows are made of cement right here in the front. Clearly, gopher tortoises aren't going out into the wild and building cement burrows. These guys will typically dig burrows with the soft sand and these logleaf pine forests and things like that here in the southeastern United States. So these guys are actually handmade by us here at Bear Hollow. So we helped them build these burrows, and they have gone in there and dug as well using their claws. All right, so around here you guys can kind of hear him making that hissing noise. That is a defense mechanism. So when predators or something come to maybe are interested in eating him, he'll make that hissing noise and kind of move back up into his shell. He can't completely close up his shells like some of the turtles can, but this guy will kind of crouch in and he will make that little hissing noise to prevent predators from eating. You can hear it right there. It'll kind of scare predators away.
Today I have with me Artemis, our eastern indigo snake. Eastern indigo snakes are listed as federally endangered, and their numbers are dwindling mostly due to habitat loss. Their range is similar to that of gopher tortoises, and they can be found in the southeastern United States. Their populations are largest in South Georgia and northern Florida. Eastern indigo snakes are non-venomous, meaning they do not kill their prey with venom. Instead, they may be seen grabbing their prey and thrashing it upon the ground. As you can see, our eastern indigo snake is very strong, and she uses these muscles to hunt. Indigo snakes get their name from their dark, iridescent coloration. As you can see, she has a very almost jet black color to her, but her chin has a little bit of pigmentation. Many indigo snakes have red chins. This is helpful for identification in many populations. You can see right now she's sniffing with her bifurcated tongue. She uses this tongue to grab particles from the air and pull them back into her mouth, where she has a Jacobson organ. This is where she defines her olfactory senses. She also has a nose, which she uses for respiration. Indigo snakes, in addition to eating smaller animals such as rodents or birds, may eat snakes. They are, in fact, not reactive to many rattlesnake venoms, meaning they can be seen eating rattlesnakes in areas where they cohabitate. Eastern indigo snakes can be found cohabitating with gopher tortoises in their burrows during the winter months. These underground safe havens provide refuge from extreme temperatures, fire, inclement weather, and predators for both reptiles. The longleaf pine ecosystems that are home to both of these reptiles has been reduced to 3% of its original range. This dramatic reduction has led to endangerment of both the gopher tortoise and indigo snake populations. There are many projects underway to support these reptile roommates, including monitoring, reintroduction, and relocation efforts. You can do your part by learning more about our backyard neighbors and talking to others about their importance.